Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic for 2025. How to withdraw your Cardano, ADA, from MetaMask to Trust Wallet. If you're holding ADA and want to move it securely, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Let's get started, it's easier than you think. First things first, make sure you have both MetaMask and Trust Wallet set up on your device. MetaMask might require a bridge or integration for Cardano since it's not native, but in 2025, we'll assume you're using a supported extension or plugin. Open your MetaMask wallet and ensure you're on the Cardano network. If it's not added, go to the network settings and search for Cardano, it should be available by now. Next, open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Cardano wallet section. Copy your Trust Wallet ADA address by tapping the Receive button. This is crucial for the transfer. Double-check that address to avoid any mistakes. We're dealing with crypto here, so security is key. Now, back in MetaMask, select your Cardano assets. Click on the Send button. Paste the Trust Wallet address into the recipient field, and enter the amount of ADA you want to withdraw. Before you confirm, review the transaction fees and details. In 2025, these fees should be minimal, but always verify. Hit send and confirm the transaction using your MetaMask password or biometric auth. You'll see a confirmation screen. Wait for it to process. This might take a few minutes depending on the network congestion. Once it's done, head over to Trust Wallet and refresh your balance. Your ADA should now appear. Remember, always use hardware wallets for larger amounts and keep an eye on phishing scams. That's it. You've successfully withdrawn your Cardano to Trust Wallet. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.